In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hyperlinks to your email campaigns effectively. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started, placing hyperlinks in your emails can significantly enhance engagement and drive traffic to your desired pages. Let's dive in and walk through these steps together. First, while working on your email campaign, identify the text you want to transform into a clickable link. This text should be relevant and provide clear context about where your readers will be taken upon clicking. As you may know, hyperlinks are a fantastic way to tie your content together and keep your audience engaged, so select text that naturally invites further exploration. Once you've highlighted the appropriate text, look toward the toolbar in your email editor. There you'll find an icon resembling a chain link. This is your gateway to hyperlinking. Click on this icon to reveal the hyperlink dialog box. It's designed to be intuitive, reducing the friction of adding links and ensuring you stay in the flow of crafting your email. Now it's time to input the URL. Type or paste the web address you'd like your readers to visit. Double check that the URL is correct, as broken links can disrupt the user experience and diminish trust. Additionally, this would be the stage to decide if you want the link to open in a new tab. This is generally recommended for external links so that readers can easily return to your email after exploring the link, keeping them more engaged with your entire campaign. Moving forward, you have the option to style your hyperlink. While this step is optional, it can make your links stand out or align them with your brand's style. Consider applying a color that fits the overall design of your email and ensures the link's visibility against the text background. You might also choose to underline the link to make it more obvious. Keep in mind that subtlety and readability are key. You want your links to be noticeable but not distracting from the main content of your email. With your link setup and your styling choices made, it's crucial to save these changes. Click Save to ensure your work is preserved and then move on to preview your email. Previewing is an essential step because it allows you to experience your email as your audience would. Check all the links to confirm they lead to the right pages and that the styling appears as you expected. This proactive quality check can help catch potential errors that may have slipped in during editing, and there you have it, the complete process for adding hyperlinks to your email campaigns. With these steps, you can enhance your communications, making them more interactive and useful for your readers. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to share your successes in the comments below. See you in the next video.